If you want to redeem code in Picsart, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So in order for this to work out, you need to use your own, or you need to use Picsart own official website. Go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and then go ahead to search for redeem Picsart Gold. Then go ahead to the official website. You're gonna see the website is in French, probably, or in basically. Let me change the language to be something else other than their own native language. Yeah, English. I'm gonna be able right here to claim your opportunity to have access to template, you know, and you can have access to designs, multiple unlimited designs, and you could use or leverage AI powered tools. You can go ahead and take advantage of that offer. If that offer didn't met, or if you logged in and that offer did not appear, that means that this offer is not available to your region. Right here it says Picsart offers complete suite of quick and easy editing tools to allow you to create personalized content. Okay, so take advantage of that offer, reclaim or redeem your own code, and have access to unlimited features powered by AI. So this offer is only for new or first time Picsart subscribers, and you will need to provide credit or debit card details to sign up for the 1 month trial. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.